Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update. To the market open on the green note. Sensex up by almost 125 points in the early morning trade, and Nifty up by almost 35 to 40 points. This is happening because of the kind of hopes and respite coming from the Indian government regarding the oil imports, which they are trying to contain the current account deficit. That has led to some investors as well as the managers, fund managers, putting on the last hope for this beleaguered government, which they hope will kind of save the face for the Indian market as well as the Indian economy as a whole. So we have seen kind of bounce as well as some kind of good buying happening in certain sectors and stocks as well, led by the kind of metals as well as banking. We're seeing kind of some buying happening in oil and gas after Reliance made the gas discovery, as well as the rupee depreciation, which is kind of going to help the oil and gas sector as a whole, which is led by Reliance, Cain, ONGC. Due to the subsidy burden, ONGC would be kind of in some pressure, but overall it would be a kind of a gain for that company as well. We're seeing kind of some stocks in metal sector are showing good strength. Tata Steel up by almost 3.5% today with good volumes after they said that they are going to increase their steel producing capacity to 8.5 million tons as the price rise will affect not their productivity, but it will increase their profitability in the coming quarters as the demand improve, as well as the kind of supply will also start rolling in on that time. Jindal Steel and Power kind of flattish. JSW Steel is doing good after showing some expansion plans as well as increasing the steel production capacity for that company as well. We're seeing some Fortis also gaining up by 2.5%. We're seeing Jet Airways up by 5% after the kind of deal has been cleared for the Etihad takeover. So that's a good kind of news for the Jet Airways as a whole. Friends, coming back to the forex update, we have kind of some weakness in the rupee today, but not that bad. It is almost trading at 65.82 compared to the 68.80 which hit it last week. That was the kind of the worst for the rupee. Now it has kind of bounced back after RBI intervening in the last attempt for saving the India's rupee. Friends, we also have the HSBC PMI, which just came out today at 48.5 compared to 50.1 versus the last month. So for the month of August, the HSBC PMI is totally disappointing, but the markets again is not at all kind of bothered with the PMI index at all, and it is up by almost 255 points on the Sensex right now. Friends, overall all the sectors as well as kind of banking, SBI, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, all doing good. Even the mid-cap banking stocks are doing good. We are seeing some kind of good action in the mid-cap stocks and the small-cap stocks as a whole too. So all over, it's kind of a good day for the market, good day for the bulls. That's all the news we have. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.